Hi, I'm the Cyber Sensei.
And I'm Sensei Chris Conover.
Our channel, the Cyber Sensei, is your complete free online martial arts program for children, teens, adults, and families so that you can get your black belt right in the comfort of your own home or anywhere in the entire world where you have access to YouTube. In this video lesson, we'll be teaching you the full Nelson escape, and it looks like this. So make sure you have a partner to work out with, a safe place to train, and you're ready to get started. To learn this self-defense technique, there are 5 easy steps, and here they are. Number 1, I'm going to step to the side and create an opposite and equal reaction. As I do that, Sensei Conover steps to the side. Step number 2, I'm going to step behind with my foot going behind Sensei Conover's outside leg. Number 3, I'm going to bend over and bend my knee to make a platform to fall over. Number 4, I'm going to squeeze my elbows together, breaking the grip. I'm going to stand up and swing my arm back to make him fall over my leg. Number 5, I'm going to step over and stomp. All right, let's do it again. All right, so step number 1, I'm going to step to the side with both feet. Number 2, I'm going to step behind his outside foot. So I want my foot to be behind his outside leg. Number 3, I'm going to bend over, and that's going to loosen the grip and bend my knee to make a platform for him to fall over. Number 4, I'm going to squeeze my arms together, breaking the grip, stand up and swing my arm back. That way he falls over my leg. And number 5, stomp. Hiya! All right, one more time. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and 5. Hiya! All right. Now Sensei Conover is going to do it to me. All right, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, step all the way behind my outside foot. Number 3, bend over and bend the knee. Number 4, elbows come together, break the grip. Number 5, step up, swing, very good, and stop. Hiya! Well, we're almost done with this lesson, so here's a quick preview of what you'll be learning in the next lesson, which is behind the shirt grab. Well, that brings us to the end of this lesson. Here's what to do next. Number 1, go ahead and watch this video all the way to the end because there's a direct link to the next lesson. Number 2, if you haven't done this yet, go ahead and click on the subscribe button, as this will give you access to our self-defense video library and our White Belt to Black Belt program library. Number 3, go ahead and click the share button right below us, as I'm sure that you have friends and family that can also benefit from free martial arts and self-defense lessons. And number 4, go ahead and give us a like or make any comments you might have, and we'll see you on the next lesson. I'm the Cyber Sensei.
And I'm Sensei Chris Conover.
One clap.
Cyber Sensei.